My video guide is about getting rid of the adware type application called VideoEthernetInteger. VideoEthernetInteger is the adware belonging to the adload family. This adware, once installed, may start displaying a lot of intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. The adware attacks Mac computers. It targets Safari, Google Chrome, Firefox, and other browsers. The adware may also cause unwanted browser redirections to random sites. So if it was found on your system, you need to right-click on it and move it to the trash. Of course, if you find anything else that is suspicious, get rid of it. Also, I recommend you to research the computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the application, install it, and then start researching the system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.